In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize ticket pipelines and statuses in HubSpot. To do that, we need to head over to our ticket settings. Let's head over here to our service and locate tickets, but if you can find it, it's typically on the right here into your marketing or CRM. Click on tickets right there. Once you're in there, you can actually edit a pipeline that we have available. So as you can see here, it's our pipeline. You can click onto the three dots and you can remove this column if you want. But for this case, let's head over and then edit this right here altogether. You can click onto this, you can add pipeline automation. But on this case, let's just choose right here this ticket itself. Now this will load the ticket editor. Now let's just head over and then create a new pipeline for this particular ticket. You can typically find it right here when you scroll down altogether, and you can find that particular pipeline available. Here is our pipeline. You can click on more and then you can edit it by clicking on this dots right here or this actual pencil icon. For this actual pipeline, you can click on this. You can also create a new pipeline by clicking on it and clicking search for this one. So for example, let's choose right here deal closed. You can search for it. If no results found, just head over and create a new one. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.